In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to add comments to tasks in ClickUp, including some powerful communication features that most users don't even know exist. ClickUp is one of the most versatile project management tools available today, and its comment system is far more capable than it looks at first glance. Mastering it will keep your whole team aligned without a single unnecessary meeting. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the specific task you want to comment on. Head into your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space, folder, or list where the task lives. Once you spot it in your list view, board, or calendar, just click directly on the task name and its detail panel will open, either sliding in from the right side of the screen or expanding into a full page view, depending on how you've configured your layout. This is the central hub for everything related to that task, its description, assignees, due dates, and the entire conversation thread. Getting comfortable opening and navigating task detail panels quickly will save you a surprising amount of time as your workspace grows. Now that the task is open, you need to locate the comment box. Scroll toward the bottom of the task window and you'll find the activity feed, a chronological log of everything that's happened on this task, from status changes to previous comments. The text input field sits right at the base of that feed, and you may also see it in a dedicated activity pane on the right-hand side depending on your view settings. If your task has a lot of content and you can't immediately spot it, just scroll past the description and any custom fields and it will be there. One thing worth knowing is that ClickUp keeps your entire comment history permanently attached to the task, so anyone joining the project later can scroll back and read every decision that was made. That transparency is one of the biggest advantages of communicating directly inside your tasks rather than over email or chat. Once you've found the comment box, click inside it to place your cursor there, and then simply type your message. You can write a quick status update, ask a clarifying question, flag a blocker, or leave detailed feedback, whatever the moment calls for. As you type, you'll notice a small formatting toolbar appears, giving you access to bold, italic, bullet lists, and even code blocks if you're working in a technical team. Don't overlook that toolbar because a well-formatted comment is much easier to scan than a wall of plain text, especially when you're tagging someone and want them to act on a specific point quickly. When your message is ready, you send it by pressing Enter or Return on a Mac or by clicking the small paper airplane icon on the right side of the comment box. One important note here, if you want to add a line break within your comment without sending it, say to separate two paragraphs, hold Shift and then press Enter. That gives you a new line inside the same comment. Without the Shift key, hitting Enter posts the comment immediately, so just be aware of that so you don't accidentally send a half-finished thought. Now let's talk about the features that really elevate ClickUp comments beyond basic text. The most used one is tagging teammates. If you type the @ symbol followed by a team member's name, ClickUp will pull up a drop-down and let you select exactly who you mean. That person receives an immediate notification, so this is the right way to loop someone in or assign them a specific action item within a comment. It's far more reliable than hoping someone reads the task on their own. You can also reference other tasks and documents directly inside your comments. Typing 2 @ symbols brings up a search for tasks, and typing 3 @ symbols lets you link a ClickUp doc. This is incredibly useful when a conversation touches multiple projects. Instead of describing where to find something, you just drop in a live link and your teammate can jump straight there with one click. It keeps your communication precise and eliminates the back and forth of which task are you talking about exactly. Attachments are another feature you'll use constantly. You can drag a file from your desktop and drop it directly into the comment box. Paste a screenshot using Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac, or click the attachment icon in the toolbar to browse your files. This means your comments can carry contracts, design mockups, spreadsheets, or any other supporting file right alongside the message, keeping all your context in one place rather than scattered across email threads. Finally, and this is the one that genuinely surprises people, ClickUp has built-in voice and screen recording. Look for the microphone and screen icons in the comment toolbar. Click the microphone to record a quick voice note, perfect for when it's faster to speak than to type. And click the screen icon to record your screen and your voice simultaneously, creating a short video clip that gets embedded directly in the comment. For design feedback, bug reports, or any situation where showing is better than telling, this feature alone can cut your communication time in half. You've now got everything you need to communicate like a pro inside ClickUp. You know how to open a task, find and use the comment box, send your message, tag teammates, link related tasks and docs, attach files, and even leave voice or screen recordings. The real takeaway here is that keeping your conversations inside the task, rather than fragmenting them across Slack, email, and meetings, means your entire team always has the full context they need, right where the work is happening. As a next step, try tagging a teammate on an active task today and see how quickly they respond compared to a regular message. Save this video so you can revisit any of these steps whenever you need a refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.